Check this out.
Brady Bunch. That is so
you know what?
cute.
All I need for today is if we could just annotate everyone's name to their box as a guide.
Good morning, internet. Apparently this lady goes swimming at 5:30 in the morning before she gets ready with all of her children. Hopefully Marguerite and Amy have a lot of energy for this because I'm pretty tired, but I'm also very ready. We only got 3 more videos after today, and then it's editing time. Look who it is, bright and early.
Oh man, I got a full 6 hours of sleep last night. How about you? You probably slept for like 11 hours after you.
I got like 7.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're a little more on equal footing.
Did you go out to the bar last night?
I made some good choices, and it was a really good bar, so yeah, I'm good. I'm ready to rock.
Let's do it.
Let's make it happen.
Fife Aquatic Center. Are you ready to take a dip, Marguerite?
I didn't bring my suit. Again.
So you say every
Yet
time.
again.
Whatever. Smells like chlorine. We have arrived.
Oh my gosh, this smell is like
Nostalgic.
child.
Are you Krista? How's it going?
Good morning.
Keep doing your thing. We'll just I don't want to interrupt your flow, so just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
How's it
The
going?
earliest shoot since our Bill Brewster shoot.
Yes. How much sleep did you get last night, Amy?
I think I fell asleep at like 10.
So you got a good like 7 hours.
So apparently I used to take swim lessons here. I walk in and it's just like,
Wait, did you just sing from Cats?
We're getting some vlog on vlog action right now.
It's like Inception.
oh my god.
So good, right? I know. We had to get a diving shot, and she dived in, and the lifeguard was like, "No diving." I'm like, it's okay, we already got it. The key is always to ask for forgiveness instead of asking for permission. With everything.
What do you think about that, Amy?
I've heard that a time or two.
We're about to watch her wrangle 7 children together and get them ready for school. Morning. Hey, good morning. How's it going? Good, how are you? Good, thanks for letting us come film you guys today.
Hi, John.
We got the pancakes, we got the bacon, we got the cheese and the strawberries and so much going on. How could you imagine doing this, Marguerite?
I want someone to wake me up and make me breakfast like this every morning. It's so
too.
nice and nurturing and good. Check this out.
Brady Bunch. That is so
You know what?
cute.
All I need for today is if we could just annotate everyone's name to their box as a guide.
This is what real superheroes look like. Sure, John knows. You know you're a superhero, right? Oh yeah. Punctuality is so important. My mom always taught me that. 5 minutes early and you're on time. 10 minutes early, you're on time.
So it's a hard thing to teach teenagers, though.
Is it crazy? Yeah. Let's check it out. This is what a teenager's room looks like. Here we go.
You could not see my floor. I had like little paths to get to the bed and the door, and I knew where everything was though.
Yeah, look, this is pretty mild. She said this was bad.
Well, this is maybe one day, maybe 2 after they just cleaned it. We always have girls spending the night here. And I'll never know. We'll have 15 girls sleeping here, and
Wow.
I'll wake up to that. So we always have this extra mattress, and we can pull this out, and they have bigger beds.
Mother of 7, training for a half Ironman, running, biking. Wait, we said 40-mile bike rides?
50 will be the next.
And then 12-mile runs on Mother's Day too. Like, man. I'm setting up the camera gear, and Spike has been looking for stickers for her Nalgene, her Hydro Flask.
I'm sorry. Is this a branding opportunity game? What is even?
Representing just you guys. What up? Hey. It's like, check us out on YouTube. I'm so always so grateful that my mom let me play so much video games as a kid because now I can fly drones for a living. Thanks, Mom.
And he's really good at it. He's like a drone master.
Yeah, I get to travel the world and play with this thing. I'm like, man, I feel so blessed. Oh, thank you, Mother Bear. Thank you for the coffee and everything.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we'll send you the video when it's done.
Bye-bye
Great to meet you, John.
anytime. Yep.
Have a good day at school. Make good choices.
That's a wrap on Dad.
All right.
Up, spin, down, stay.
Show us your bacon moves.
This is the laundry
Yeah, we're
situation?
yeah, this is it.
How does this work?
Nobody has matching socks.
I think it's amazing that you're doing all this with one washer and one dryer.
Yeah.
That's pretty incredible.
You get like the industrial size, like.
Yeah.
It's going all the time.
I believe
Yeah.
it.
Older girls all do their own laundry. That's
Oh,
great.
good, good.
I'm trying to make things as quick and
Easy, yeah.
Superhuman.
Seriously.
Super moms. I wish we had a clapboard so she could do the ready.
Oh, that's
Action.
cool.
She could do the BTS.
Yeah. All right.
I see.
I already know what you had for breakfast, but just for audio check, do you want to tell me what you had for breakfast?
It's our key question.
Everyone's like, what'd you have for breakfast?
pancakes and bacon.
You are and where you live.
My name is Krista, Linden, and I live in Milton, Washington.
Got it.
We're off to a good start.
Yep.
Another thing that happened.
I'm used to all the pressure. You know
It is easy to judge what you see on its face and what you see presented in front of you.
Wow, what do you think about that one, Marguerite?
That was a good one. It was great having some extra crew labor today, some free labor.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. High five. Thanks for that.
So good.
Getting water, getting tissues.
Yep.
When her mom asked for a glass of water, she went and filled it in a different room. She
And then
went
snuck
around
it
the seat
underneath.
and then
Yeah.
snuck it in. I'm like, this girl is made for this.
Yeah.
Professional.
All right, about to get some drone shots of it.
Yes.
It's so nice having help on set.
Seriously.
Voters. Here we go. Go really gently, okay? See, watch here.
Oh, good,
There
good,
you
good,
go. There you
good.
go. Nice and gentle. Now bring it back. There you go. Now go right. Not bad for first time. High five. Good job.
Well, you're a good doggy. Do you take care of this family?
It's a weird thing to let three strangers show up in your morning routine.
And then ask you all these questions.
You love Russell.
Thanks for all your help, Spike. You were awesome.
Thank you.
Have a good day at school.
You too.
Make good choices, okay?
Here we go. Gonna meet the step-by-step peeps. Happening now.
We're just at a local bee spot, and we're ended up buying a bunch of things for. Lainey's buying something for her mom.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Don't watch
Oh
the
my
vlog
god. That's so
Just
great.
got me some bee pollen so I can put in my smoothies, and
We're shameless consumers. Look at us. Can't help ourselves.
Gifts of giving.
It's the gift of gift.
thanks, Marguerite, for this. My quality of life and health will improve because of this.
How are you gonna intake the bee pollen?
Smoothie form, straight up through my nose. Just kidding.
You snip it.
He doesn't do drugs. That's all.
That's edgy, Gabe. That's real.
edgy?
That's real edgy.
Gotta get in some.
Those are so pretty.
Krista has been such an inspiration today, like really taking it to the next level, raising children, doing this, and waking up so early to go swimming.
I know.
Like, how did she
I mean,
do
let's
it?
just start with like, woke up at what hour to go swimming?
And has so much other things to do, other people to take care of, and you're just doing God's work. Yeah, I hope like I can really acknowledge you for how much you're impacting this world. And you're raising children that are gonna do the same.
Yes.
Lots
Such
of
a-
them.
Like such a leader for the household. Like so inspired. Thank you. Yeah, I really mean it. It's like
You guys have been amazing, and I appreciate it.
I'm honored to share your story, and I hope that people can really see like what you're doing. It's so cool. Wow.
I'm a little curious.
We know my game.
We know what time you get up, but what time do you go to bed at night?
Early.
Yeah?
Like 8 p.m.,
I
9
am
p.m.
not like a 4 or 5 hour person.
I love that. You're a woman after my own heart.
Pretty much just out by between 9 and 10, but sometimes 8:30.
Love that. That's my goal. Get my 9 hours. This is what it takes to impact on this level. Gabe.
Uh-huh.
Boundaries and self-care.
Yes, and balance. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Wow. So wonderful meeting you. What a day. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. Marguerite, we've met some like incredible people.
We've met so many incredible people. And you know what? This is not easy work. It must look very fun on the vlog, but it's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard to get up early and stay up late and like do all these things and still do all the other things
Thank you.
that we have to do every day. Like, it's hard. And I think we're making something very special. I think we're birthing 12 beautiful babies.
I know it. I can
birthing pains,
feel
you know?
it.
There's
Yes,
some birthing pains.
Definitely. These are going to be so impactful. I felt so honored being able to like capture this and just being able to share. I really hope that I can translate it into a story that people are like, wow, people like this exist.
I have no doubt.
I have no doubt as well.
What are the takeaways for today? Man.
Bee pollen is creativity fuel.
That's going to help me a lot during the editing process, for sure.
I think I really appreciated how present she is and how the work she's doing isn't about her at all. I mean,
That's a life
her,
of service, like
Right.
next level life of service.
from her mothering style, from her parenting style to the approach she has to this organization, you know, it isn't about her being a hero and her saving people. It's about just being decent and good to people and letting people have their dignity in their journey. That's what really resonated with me. It's not always a thing I'm good at.
I'm so grateful that she let us into her home, you know, meet her family. That's just such like the heart of who she is. And the other thing I took away was just how she's like, I don't, you know, I could say yes to a million things, but I just focus on these two things that I'm good at is step by step and my family. And I just put everything I have into that. When you put that focus into that, it just thrives.
Yes.
Well, and,
Yep.
and Amy, did you think about your schedule when you heard that?
Oh yeah.
I
It
was like,
convicting.
which
For sure.
two things? Like, that's some life-changing, I have a lot of balls in the air. Maybe if there were a few fewer balls.
You can hone it in.
About it all the time, but that was a really succinct way of putting that.
Wow. I hope people watching the behind the scenes are getting value too. I'm sure they are.
hope so.
So cool.
And some good laughs because Marguerite's hilarious.
Yeah. Right, Mark?
Stop it. Stop it. I have a huge zit on my chin.
All right, we'll see you guys at the next one.
Bye.
Forget